Okay, guys. Here we have my dime challenge targets from the 100 yards when I was shooting them at 100 yards here. I'm just getting a closer look at it right now. I just started thinking of something, and I put the dime by there for as a comparison. But I want you guys to take a look at this, man. Okay, I'm gonna try to use this. Okay, I'm centering the middle of the dime. All right. Now I got two flyers, and I know this was from my trigger. This was trigger pull, okay. But check this out. Okay, you see all the way around the circumference of this dime, the bullet hit in the exact same spot. Okay. I aimed in the middle. It hit in the exact same spot, except for the two flyers that I had, and that was trigger. Huh. So, guys, you guys put in the comments, man. I want to know you guys' I want to know you guys' opinions on this, man. Other than the two flyers, and I know for a definite fact that I pulled on this one right here. I know for a fact, and this one right here, I'm pretty sure I did too. Like I said, I couldn't tell that one, but that one right there, I know I pulled on it, because I could feel it. But I want to know you guys' opinions, man. How does a bullet hit? Because like I said, guys, I don't know. I don't know a lot of things about rifles, man. I don't know a lot of things about, like even the AR. There's just a world of knowledge that I'll probably never really get everything down. But how in the world does a bullet hit in the same circumference all the way around a dime from 100 yards? Um, just give me your opinion, and give me your opinion on what you think this barrel might be rated at. Because, like I said, I don't know. I don't know. I know I aimed center mass of these dimes, but give me your opinion. And I don't mean to, I don't mean to come off arrogant or anything. But do you think this is the perfect shot? I mean, how how in the world does a bullet end up in the exact same place all the way around the circumference of a dime? Anyway, put in the comments, guys, if you appreciate it. Thanks.